Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackHere.com, and today we're going to take a look at the Capit helmet drive. You know what everybody can agree on? There's one thing in the world everyone can agree on. Sliding a wet helmet on kind of sucks, right? We have the solution to your problem right here in this handy dandy traveling bag from our friends at Capit. This is the Capit helmet dryer. It comes complete with this good looking padded bag that's going to help you get it to and from the racetrack. This thing's pretty bitchin', right? So what we've been doing over the last several years now is, we use this big Home Depot fan, right, to cool the area off when we're working on the bike and stuff for Max and we're at the racetrack. And what he likes to do when he comes in is he just takes the old man's fan, lets me suffer under the sun while he rotates the fan so it's blowing straight up, and he puts his expensive helmet on the top somewhere in the middle. And I can't tell you how many times I've seen the fan rotate back and the helmet just kind of rolling around in the pit. Not great. The solution to that problem, and the thing that will prevent you from having to slip that wet helmet back on, is right here in front of me. This is the Capit helmet dryer, right? Molded plastic, made in Italy. Fan installed there in the center. The intake's on the bottom. Obviously, exhaust is right here. The way they've designed this kind of just cradles the helmet like so. See, they've got this molded exit right there, right, to help circulate the air in the helmet. And something else that's kind of unique, I've got the power cord here behind me, already plugged into the wall, is this one has not only just a fan, which will fire up right now, but in addition to just the fan, it also has a built-in heater, right? So instead of just blowing external air through it, you can heat the air a little bit, and it's gonna help to dry the helmet more efficiently and get you to that nice in-between session, right? State of ready, so when you're sliding it back on, the thing's not soaked. Retail on this product is $299. Maybe a little to the spendy side for this kick-ass factory rider accessory, but I think for many of us that already have a ton invested in this, this is a worthwhile investment. I plan to add one to the race trailer for next year. I've seen other people using these over the years, and for whatever reason, I just didn't jump on it. But now that I've taken a look at this thing and handled it myself, I've decided for sure we're gonna have to have these in our lives because it's just a way better solution than the Home Depot fan. Who doesn't love kick-ass factory shit? If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. And remember, I'm always here to help you find a way to get your helmet dry before the next session starts.